Welcome to another 7 Stars experience. We are on our way with Emirates first-class suites to another luxurious destination. This time we are flying to Karkloof, located near Durban, exotic South Africa. 7 Stars finds and reviews the world's most exclusive destinations. These hidden gems are for the discerning traveler. We will visit Karkloof's extraordinary game reserve, world-class wellness spa, and evaluate this all-inclusive experience to see what it takes to be recognized by 7 Stars. My team is already assembled. Chef Walter is evaluating the culinary approach, and Ingrid is assessing the guest experience. Hello, my name is Torsten Burman, President and CEO of 7 Stars and Stripes. Today we are at the Karkloof Spa, Wellness and Wildlife Resort in South Africa.
Have you ever seen so many giraffes in one spot? This is amazing, and this is just the beginning.
By now, you probably figured out where we are. Indeed, we are in South Africa, relatively close to Durban, in this incredible paradise where I just spent about a week. Highly recommend to all of you who are watching. Just too good to be true. Beauty, wildlife, adventures, and a spa to die for. Please tell us a little bit about Karkloof's history. How did it come all about, Fred?
We came into this area and we saw this most magnificent valley that's got something very, very special about it. It's got the Karkloof Falls on the property, the second highest in the province, with 106 meters high. It's got the Karkloof River, and it's pristine, undisturbed bush and indigenous forest, secure and secluded, surrounded by cliffs.
The game viewing here is just unbelievable. You have the buffalo in the background and zebra, you have hippo down there. This big bull down here just trying to find himself a nice wallow in the mud, splashing into the road. Oops.
Disease-free buffalo and rhinoceros are part of what we would consider rare animal species in this country.
Fred, this was certainly the first time in my life that I have seen rhino not in a zoo. I mean, this is like I looked at rhinos. It was just so exciting.
And the white rhino, they've got a wide mouth. They are grazers, they eat very short grass. Whereas the black rhino, which you have also seen today, it's got a pointed mouth and it's a browser, it eats leaves. When the English took over from the Dutch settlers in the early 19th century, the Dutch referred to what is known as the white rhino as the wijd rhinoster, wijd as in broad. And the English came and thought, well, white, while the other one must be black.
I see.
That's where the name came from.
So
Nothing to do
simple.
with the colouring, same colouring, except one has got a broad mouth, it's the grazer, and one has got the pointed mouth.
It's a perfect area for a rhino reserve. You've got this full spectrum of species here. You've got a fantastic lodge. You've got the 7 Star Spa. It's a very unique area.
My favourite is being able to work with buffalo, being able to work with such a feared animal, and to actually see the softer side of the animal, and to actually see that they can be worked with.
I was sitting nicely protected. However, I got so excited that at times I had to get out from the vehicle with my camera dangling around my neck and just getting so excited. I was just clicking away. I needed every single photo of this. Yeah, so it was just so beautiful.
And animals are very relaxed, and you see large numbers because we don't have lion. So we don't have the lion that would take out a lot of the animals, and they're breeding while in a protected habitat.
Yeah.
People refer to our resort as Giraffic Park.
The giraffes are very charismatic. They get so used to people and they kind of look down at you and say, well, what are you doing today?
And they breed so well that we have to sell giraffe every so often. We've planted a lot of trees in the area, more than 2,000 trees around the resort.
Why would you plant more trees? As far as I know, here are plenty.
Just wanted to create a much greener habitat, more trees for the birds. We have approximately 300 bird species on the
Unbelievable.
property.
We took so many photos.
It helps to blend the resort into the landscape. So when you look from the opposite side of the valley, you can barely see the resort.
I'm enjoying this wonderful in-room meal while Ingrid is checking out the spa.
Fred, yes, this paradise which we are seeing here, too good to be true, no doubt about it. How did the spa come about?
Well, we felt this valley has got something very, very special about it. It's magical. You feel all the stress drain away from you. And we just felt we wanted to share it with people. And that's why we decided to build Kaakloof Spa, the hotel resort with the spa. The spa part in particular, because we wanted to differentiate ourselves from other game reserves in Southern Africa, become a destination spa instead. So we built this very upmarket resort.
Yes. Exclusive.
Yes, we wanted to be very exclusive, very few people, to have a minimal footprint so that it feels like you're the only person around. The spa was built out of reclaimed clay bricks. We've got large change rooms in the spa. There's no tenant there that might intrude into your privacy. But the moment you leave, the attendant comes in to clean. And if you come back a few minutes later, it would appear as if you're the first person in the day that's arrived there. It's clean and spotless.
Yes.
It's either got thatched roofs, grass roofs, or it's got living roofs.
Fred, what is a living roof?
A living roof is a roof like the one that we're sitting on at the moment.
You're kidding. This is a living roof?
This is a living roof. So you've got a building with a flat roof, and then you've put soil on top and you've planted plants, and in this case lawn.
Fred, I understand that this is an incredible location and you and I, we are sitting here, but honestly, why would you put grass on a roof? What's the reason?
Because we want to minimize our footprint on Mother Earth. You've got the slopes leading up to the roof, so the animals can come up here in the afternoon to graze on top of the roof. Why don't we go and grab a smoothie from our spa bistro?
That would be wonderful.
Our guests, in between their treatments, they can go to the bistro and they have unlimited meals like salads or soups, freshly prepared smoothies from fresh fruit. This is our Tranquility Lounge, where you can just go and quietly relax and rest. You can get away from everything and just meditate and just enjoy the views and the peace and quiet. We've got a Roman bath where your water is at body temperature, so you can spend a long time in there. And we've got a hot and cold Kneipp pool, and you alternate between the different pools, and that's very good for your blood circulation and for your immune system.
Love to talk about these avocados grown basically by your neighbors. They are organic.
We've got 2 avocado farms on either side of us.
Yeah.
We use the avocado oil from that plant in some of our treatments. All our products are freshly prepared prior to being used.
Yeah.
Natural ingredients.
Guess what? I actually had a facial before the show.
And you could eat it. You could lick your lip and you could...
It was wonderful.
This food is actually magnificent. While I'm enjoying this wonderful meal here, our celebrity chef Walter State is exploring the kitchen.
Christine, so good to meet you, and Fred, so good to meet you. So tell me about the culinary philosophy that you have.
Here at Kaakloof Spa, we like to try to keep things interesting. So we have a variety of things on the menu. What we're well known for is the game that we have on our menu, which is available from the property. So we always have fresh game meat available.
Must be great for a chef that you say, I want that, go get it, right?
Perfect.
Very bad.
Keeping things interesting. So the animals are also hormone-free. and they roam around, so they're free range as well, and then it makes a perfect dish for our menu. The other thing we also have on our menu are the raw options. So that's basically food that's not cooked, as in raw. Temperatures, they're not exposed to temperatures higher than 47 degrees, and so the natural enzymes and microorganisms stays in the food, and that aids in your digestive system.
Very delicious, because I tested them in my stay over here, and I tell you, I have never tasted better combination of your raw food.
And so we try also to make it interesting so that it's not just a bunch of salads. So like Brett here is making the raw vegetable linguine.
With oyster mushroom, I see.
With oyster mushrooms, butternut squash and zucchini. And then for a bit of extra texture, we also use like mushroom purees, basil pesto, air-dried tomatoes that we make in our dehydrator, some olives, and always for a bit of zest, lemon.
You know, here at Cuckler Spa, it's a dream come true for somebody that's really concerned about the food intake, because all your soups are naturally pureed, no additives, no extra cream. This is really fantastic. It's beautiful for the eye and it's beautiful for the body.
In that sense, we try to keep our foods lean and healthy, and that's why we don't add any butter or extra cream to our soups. We try to use local products from our organic garden to make the freshest soups.
Everything I've seen here at the Cuckler Spa from your cuisine is a masterpiece. There isn't one piece that comes out is not look at it. You just want to, you don't actually want to eat it, you just want to look at it for a while. But tell me, also your desserts, you make some interesting desserts.
I always feel you should end your meal with something sweet, in my opinion. We try and keep our desserts small and light as well. And then we also always have the raw option desserts on the menu as well. And we also got the Diners Club Diamond Award for our wine cellar and wine list.
And I tell you, it does not surprise me. The cuisine here, the hospitality, the unbelievable spa, your approach to wellness is so timely, because this is what the world is coming to. And I really salute you and congratulate you, and want to get out with a great taste of the great wines of South Africa. And thanks for having me here.
Thanks for visiting us.
Spa. Thank you.
Cheers.
It's very, very, very exciting here at Cuckler Spa, what they do. Because remember, you have a game farm, you have a world-class spa, and that all manifests itself in the cuisine. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, and the best part is 24/7. You can eat here at 3 o'clock in the morning if you choose to. You can have villa dining, whatever you want.
We believe that it's a case of can do, not cannot do.
Imagine it's all included as well in the package when you come stay here in the Cuckler Spa and Game Resort. The philosophy from the field to the table as fresh as possible. You know, you get a beet juice, it's got picked this morning at around 5 o'clock. They came into the kitchen with the fresh beets, the carrots come in, the watercress, whatever it might be. And so they incorporate it. So the menu gets basically done from one day to the next. So whatever is available, they do it. So they don't believe in convenience food, they don't believe in frozen food. There's no shortcuts here. As a guest coming here, you gotta feel very good, because no additives, no chemicals in your food, fresh, detox, whatever you want. That's a very sound approach that ties them into their wellness center. People must come here to experience it because it's one of a kind. And the service staff is equally professional and outstanding. They never say no. And you also, if you want to have a good bottle of wine from the Cape, goes along with it. He has a fantastic bar, fantastic cellar. So you come down here, you have an experience you won't forget so soon.
Fred, I'm getting to understand, and so is our team, why your resort has been recognized over and over and over again. There's so many awards, and if you're interested, please check out their website. But what I also absolutely am comforted with is the fact that it's here very safe.
That's right. This particular valley is a natural valley which ends at the waterfall, which is at 106 meters high. So you have cliffs all the way around. So it is physically impossible to come down into this valley.
Okay.
There's only one way in, which is from the reception where you drove up. The entire resort is fenced by game fencing, 6-foot game fencing, electrified game fencing. The lodge is for in-house guests only. So you've got your privacy, your exclusivity. VIPs love it because they can take off their public masks, their public face, and just be themselves. No aircraft are allowed to fly below 1,500 feet. That was introduced primarily so that the animals wouldn't get frightened. You might have a herd of buffalo near the fence line. If there's a low-flying aircraft and they take fright, they'll run through the fence and you might have to capture them in time.
The true spirit of Karklov is giving its guest a true sense of timelessness.
This area is an amazing area. It's malaria-free, it's secure, it's got stunning scenery, and our resort is a resort for all seasons. Yeah? Whether you come in summer or in winter. In summer it doesn't get too hot. If you find it a little bit too hot, you switch on the air conditioning. Our winters are lovely. You've got temperatures in the 40s at night time, but you've got underfloor heating throughout, in the lodge, in your villas, in the spa, so it's very comfortable. And daytime temperatures will be in the 70s. Lovely to lie by the swimming pool, not too hot. The swimming pool is heated and it's great.
Not far away from Karklov Spa is the Zulu village.
Visitors can experience traditional dance and learn about Zulu culture in this village of many thatched huts.
From the picturesque valley to the outcroppings of rocks, in the Drakensberg Mountains you will find 5,000 years of history. South Africa has so much to discover.
My favorite, absolutely favorite part about Karklov is that I can get up anytime I want to, I can eat anytime I want to. That means I don't have any set lunch or dinner hours. I can get as many snacks as I like and as many spa treatments as I like.
What we've tried to do here is have our concept of timeliness, where you can do what you want to, when you want to, or like we would say, you play it by ear.
Yes.
You do just what you do when you feel like doing it. Where in most reserves you have your morning game drive and your afternoon game drive. Here, because of our topography, you can go for a game drive at any time, and you have your game drive when you want to have it. Your meals in most hotels, if you want to sleep in, you either have sleep in or you have breakfast. You cannot have both.
Yeah.
Here you have your meal when you want to. You can have breakfast at 8 in the morning or at lunchtime. Your spa treatments, you don't have to book a particular time, because then you have to work backwards to make that time, and you are not relaxed anymore. If you'd like to have a special dinner in a villa, for instance, you want to have a special bath, special turn down, we do that for you. The analogy I always give to people when I try and explain our concept is that in real life we are all running on a treadmill. And every year we find someone putting up the speed, we're running a little bit faster. If we don't, we fall off.
Yes.
Yeah? When you come to Karklov Spa, you actually get off that treadmill. Let life carry on outside, and you just let your body take over, let nature take over.
Service is world-level perfection. When you arrive, your butler will unpack your suitcases. This is the kind of service which you can expect at Karklov.
Fred, between all the game and all the spa treatments that I experienced and all this wonderful, wonderful hospitality, give us a little bit of an idea what else people could possibly do when they visit.
One, in addition to going on actual game drives, you could go mountain biking, either with the ranger, or what we often do is let the ranger drive ahead of you, just out of sight, to make sure that you don't cycle into buffalo or rhino, and it feels like you're the only one cycling in Africa. You could go hiking, either on hiking trails or on the roads. And then in addition to the hiking, to the mountain biking, fishing, in the dams, we have over 30 dams. You could go fishing for bass.
So much for lunch.
The hippo in the dam and buffalo around you. In addition to the fish in the dams, you could go fly fishing in two of our rivers, in the Umgeni River and Karklov River, where you could fish for yellowfish, which is a very good fighting fish.
And if I bring that fish home, your chefs are going to cook it for me.
Absolutely. You can have your freshly caught fish for lunch or for dinner,
Yes.
prepared for you. You could go bird watching. Again, with approximately 300 bird species, it's a birder's paradise. So for birding, it's absolutely amazing. Yeah? And then we've got the other activities in the spa, Muay Thai boxing, different types of yoga, Tai Chi, or bamboo dancing.
I heard that the first time, bamboo dancing. I got to try this.
You must try it, it's fantastic.
You are leading your resort under the spirit of Ubuntu. Explain that to us.
It's a sense of community. The community works together. It's one for all for one. Yeah. We are a family at Carkloof. We've got fantastic staff. The experience that you get, it is made by the staff.
I was explained that a night at Carkloof is actually 36 hours. How does that work?
That's right. What we are trying to say with that is we have early check-in and late check-out. You can check in at 8 o'clock in the morning and you can check out at 8 o'clock in the evening on your check-out day. So if you stay for one night, you effectively have 36 hours. Or you have 2 full days where you could have breakfast, lunch and dinner included in your one-night rate. You could have unlimited spa treatments. You could drink whatever you could drink in the wine cellar, except the French champagne.
Everything else included?
Everything else is included. Premium spirits,
the wines.
all the wines. We have won a Diners Club Diamond Award for our wine cellar.
You have an excellent cellar.
Fantastic wine selection, fantastic whiskey selection. If you can drink it, you've paid for it.
So there is one flat room rate?
Everything is included. So you've got the early check-in, late check-out. Everything is included. All the food, all your beverages, excluding French champagne, your laundry service, your mini bar, your high-speed Wi-Fi. Absolutely everything is included in the rate.
We're going to invite you guys to check out Carkloof's website. That's all what it takes. And then, hey, you just might want to book a flight to Africa's first 7-star resort.
We've won a lot of prestigious awards, like earlier this year, the best safari spa in the world. And also for 2012, we won the TripAdvisor Certificate of Excellence, which is very important because lots of people go into that website to check out the property. But the most prestigious of all is the 7 Stars Award by 7 Stars and Stripes.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Torsten Burman, President 7 Stars and Stripes. Today it is my great pleasure and honor to present the 7 Stars Award to the Carkloof Spa in Durban, South Africa. Mr. Werner, congratulations.
Thank you very much.
This is your achievement.
Thank you.
If I may say so, this is your award and you deserve the recognition, and may I applaud to you. Ladies and gentlemen, today it's my great pleasure and honor to present as well our Distinguished Restaurant Award. And today with us is Walter Stape, and Walter would like to present the award.
First of all, I've been here a couple of days and it's spectacular resort. The Black Reed's extraordinary, and I can tell you from all the food that I've had and all the staff I met, you got a fantastic culinary team. This award doesn't come easy, I can tell you. I know you have love and you have heart, and keep on doing it because what you're doing is spectacular.
Today it's also my great pleasure and honor to present a very distinguished award, our Spa Award, to you. And I would like to welcome you to the best spas in the world.
Fantastic staff, fantastic environment. Congratulations.
Who is the best in the country?
We are!
Fred, thank you very much. Thank you to you and your team for your incredible hospitality, for inviting our group to come over, experience firsthand this amazing valley of serenity, of peace, of animals, of nature, of organic living. We enjoyed it.
Thank you. It's been an absolute pleasure having you, and we hope to see you again soon.
And we shall return, right?
Thank you for joining us in the 7 Stars experience here at Carkloof Spa. We have been up close personal with amazing wildlife. We have experienced a one-of-a-kind spa and wellness center and truly enjoyed culinary delights that we'll long remember. I truly hope that you will experience it yourself. Until next time.